Good afternoon, Nandal. Myself, I am Kirvanidhi, and my team is Arun, Yanamuthi, and Nishant. Our team mentor is Mr. Somadevi Ma'am, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE. We are going to present our project, Gas Leakage Defense System. In this project, the gas leakage is detected and it's automatically solved. In our project, we are using IoT, which means Internet of Things as a domain. The Internet of Things describes the network of a physical object that are embedded with a sensor, software and other technologies for the purpose connecting and exchanging the data with over devices system through internet.
Problem statement. Purpose of our idea. In our country, most of the fire accidents occur in the houses are due to gas leakage problem. The calculation in 2013, according to gas leakage accident, Tamil Nadu took the first place. So, some of the inventors found one device to solve gas leakage problem. That device is called gas leakage detector. In the current process of gas leakage detector, when the gas leakage is found, it gives alarm or alert message to the mobile. Some of them use fan to clear the gas smell in the air. This purpose are not solve the gas leakage problem. It is just for identifying the gas leakage. The device is useful when we are at home. If suppose we are not in home or we are in somewhere, the aim of this device is completely failed. So we need some alternatives. Solution. Our idea to solve this problem are we are using a servo motor and MQC sensor as a main component in our project. The servo motor is fixed parallel to regulator to close and open the regulator valve. By using this idea, we solve the gas leakage problem in the stove and tube. We are also adding buzzer to indicating gas leakage occurs in the cylinder because sometimes the leakage occurs due to cylinder damage. We cannot solve that leakage, so buzzer is used to indicate that leakage. Algorithm will be explained by my teammate Arun.
Algorithm. First, the components such as MQ6 sensor, buzzer and servo motor are connected with the Arduino UNO board. Then we have to make coding for our idea in Arduino IDE software. Then the coding is uploaded to Arduino board. Our idea starts with MQ6 gas sensor. When the gas leakage is detected and cross the limit 200, the sensor gives message to Arduino board. Then the Arduino board passes the message to buzzer and servo motor. When the message is reached from Arduino board, it turns on the servo motor to close the regulator valve. In this process, we use loop. So when the gas smell is not found, the servo motor automatically opens the regulator valve. Prerequisite. We should have knowledge about Arduino IDE software and Arduino board. The components we used are Arduino UNO, buzzer, servo motor, MQ6 sensor and jumper wires to connect the components. The components will be explained by my teammate Nishant.
These are the components we have been used in our project. Arduino UNO. The Arduino UNO is an open source microcontroller board based on microchip at Mega 328 package microcontroller. The board is equipped with sets of digital and analog input or output pins that may be interfaced to various expansion boards. The Arduino boards are able to read inputs on a light of a sensor. Buzzer. The buzzer is used to give an alert message if any gas leakage has been occurred. If suppose any gas leakage occurs other than the gas regulator, a gas tube or a stove, we can identify the gas leakage by the alert message given by the buzzer. Servo motor. Servo motor consists of a DC motor. The servo motor that allows for precise control of the angular position. It consists of a suitable motor coupled to a sensor for position feedback. The servo motor usually have a revolution cutoff from 90 degree to 180 degree, but the motor rotation is limited between the fixed angles. MQ6 sensor. MQ6 sensor is mainly used for gas leakage detection system. It is a device that detects the presence of gases in an area. When the leakage is occurred, it smells the gas and informed to alert a message by a buzzer, and the regulator valve will be closed immediately by a servo motor. Let me see the demo.
Hi, we are going to present our topic gas leakage defense system. In this process, when the gas leakage is detected, it is automatically solved. Due to this, a lot of fire accident occurred by the gas leakage is solved.
Component views Arduino UNO, MQ6 sensor for detecting the gas leakage, buzzer for giving alarm message, servo motor for close valve automatically. The project is starts with MQ6 sensor. When the gas leakage is detected, it gives message to Arduino board. Then Arduino pass the message to servo motor and the buzzer gives alert message. Finally, the servo motor is rotated and close the regulator valve. We set the sensor value as 200 in our program. When the gas leakage exceeds 200, the system begins to work. This is output of a program. Let me see the demo.
You can explore more projects on www.arnai.org/ideathon. Thank you.